Hey everyone, Dion and Sylvester here. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn money using Uber Eats without driving or making any deliveries. And yes, while I'm specifically showing you how this works with Uber Eats, you can use it for pretty much any third-party ride sharing and delivering services like Instacart, Postmates, and a handful more. In fact, the more you promote, the more money you can make. So on today's video, I promise to show you how it works, but stick it to the end because I'm going to show you how a really sneaky way you can do this that can amplify the amount of money you make, and then I'm going to teach you how you can use that same concept and apply to other products and really make some serious money. And let me remind you, you don't need to drive a car, pay for gas, take any orders. The method I'm going to show you was built by Uber themselves to help them grow their company and get the word out. So we're going to get into exactly how this works step by step. But first, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. My goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever someone asks me what's my favorite way to make money online, I always tell them the same answer: affiliate marketing. Why? Because affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products, services, or courses. You simply promote somebody else's programs and you collect a commission every time somebody makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience is. So I created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, and notification so you know when a new strategy is going live. Okay, so let's talk about why I chose Uber Eats for this strategy, and it's simply because with everything that's the way that it is in this world, more people than ever, they start to rely on food delivery services that are going out. And not only are food delivery apps more popular, so many people looking for additional ways to make money too. I just checked Google Trends and the phrase "start a side hustle" is going higher in July this year than it did last March when the COVID stuff happened. At this point right now, there's people looking for ways to get their favorite foods delivered to them. But on the other hand, there's other people looking for ways to make additional income in their bank account. And you can make money putting those two people together. Here's how. The first step is you're going to create an account with Uber Eats. Like I said, you're not going to need to fulfill the orders for it, but you do need to sign up for their program. Once you do, you got the opportunity to get what's called your referral code. That code is a special link they give you, and when you share that link with somebody else, like a friend or family member, and they sign up to become a driver, you get a referral bonus where Uber Eats, they'll pay you cash for helping them grow the company. Now, when I last looked at their website, they said depending on the city and the state that you can get anywhere from $100 to $1,100 for a single person that you sign up once they finish their set number of rides. And a full disclosure, these referral programs, they do change quick. So whenever you're watching this video, make sure you check their site and read their terms. But the point is, this is a way that you can earn money online using one of the most popular delivery services right now without actually having to make any deliveries. Now, here we're going to get to our referral links. How we get them referral links in front of people, so they can click. The best strategy I've seen work is simply write a top 10 list on how to make some extra money. You've probably seen headlines like the top 10 ways to make money in your car or the best side hustle to start in 2021. Now, those articles make money. They're using referral codes. And when you mention Uber Eats, simply insert your referral code. So when somebody click on it, you'll receive a kickback from Uber. Now, once you finish the article, you post it on free sites like Medium, Tumblr, Google sites, even Reddit. And if you want to go the extra mile, make a YouTube video, either sharing the methods yourself or using stock videos with the caption. This gives you a chance to really widen your net and get more opportunities to get seen from the same piece of content. Now, if you really want to take this to the next level, don't just stop at Uber Eats. Remember that article you write that has 10 different ways to make money? There's 9 more opportunities to find companies like Uber Eats with referral programs for you to make money. Now you're making money on all of the opportunities you mentioned and not just one. See, you don't need to create your own products to make money online. And like you're seeing on this video today, you barely need to make a website to learn marketing. You just need to find a great product with a referral affiliate program that's going to pay you to promote them. Now, let me be perfectly honest. Are you going to make $1 million promoting Uber Eats? Probably not. But if you're getting started and you're committing yourself 100% free ways to make money, then this is a great place to get started. And you're going to learn a ton by doing it on your own and earn at least $100 a day from getting one sign up. But if you really want to invest in yourself and your business and want to take this whole make money online thing serious, then you need to find more than just refer friend programs. You need to find companies that are willing to partner with you and give you not only give you higher payouts, but lifetime commissions so you can continue to earn money every single month, rain or shine. If that's something that excites you and you can honestly say that you're ready to invest in yourself and in your business, then I want you to click the link in the description below because I got something to show you. And no, it's not one of those free webinars or training that you've probably seen all over the place. It's an actual partnership where you're teaming up with already successful entrepreneurs and companies using their funnels, their emails, their marketing as your own and getting a commission on every purchase. They did all the heavy lifting and building out the company. Your only job is to partner with them and get a cut of the sale. Check it out in the link in my description below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you will be notified when we release the next training. This is your boy, Deanna Sylvester, signing off. See you guys on the next one.